listening to.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north central Texas until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over McKinney, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Richardson, Allen, Wiley, Satch C, Murphy, Prosper, Roy City, Fairview, Lucas, Parker, Lowry Crossing, Melissa, Livonia, St. Paul, Nevada, New Hope, and Weston. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.